A surprisingly simple broken shoelace can instantly ruin an entire productive day. Millions of precious hours are wasted annually across the globe due to unexpected lace failures. That tiny, unassuming plastic tip, often called an aglet, prevents a chaotic, unraveling mess. Without this vital component, your favorite footwear becomes a tangled, frustrating, unwearable nightmare. We all inevitably encounter that sudden moment of dread, discovering a frustratingly frayed shoelace. Suddenly, the simple act of tying your shoes transforms into an impossible, incredibly time-consuming task. These small, persistent annoyances can significantly disrupt daily routines and truly test our patience. But what if remarkably simple, quick DIY fixes could instantly save your entire day? Imagine effortlessly avoiding expensive shoelace replacements using just common household items. Learning basic, practical shoelace repair techniques truly empowers you against daily frustrations. These methods transform a potential footwear crisis into a minor, easily solvable daily hiccup. Understanding these clever DIY tricks ensures you are always prepared for unexpected lace issues. From a completely snapped lace to a mysteriously missing aglet, effective solutions are remarkably simple. Embracing these practical skills offers tremendous daily convenience and unparalleled peace of mind. You gain genuine independence from annoying footwear failures and persistent daily inconveniences. First, when confronting a frustratingly frayed shoelace end, precision is truly paramount for success. Gently grab a pair of incredibly sharp scissors and meticulously trim the damaged portion neatly. Ensure you make a clean, straight cut, removing all loose threads completely. Now, carefully apply just a small drop of super glue or clear nail polish. Carefully twist the tip between your fingers, forming a new, solid, durable end. This new custom aglet will dry quickly, making threading a breeze. But that's not the only way to save a favorite pair. Alternatively, if super glue isn't readily available, clear adhesive tape works perfectly. Cut a small, narrow strip, about 1 inch long from the tape roll. Tightly wrap this small tape strip around the freshly cut shoelace tip. Overlap the tape slightly and firmly to ensure a secure and durable bond. This creates a flexible, temporary aglet, perfect for quick fixes on the go. Wait until you hear what comes next for a more permanent solution. For an incredibly robust, durable, and professional-looking aglet, definitely consider heat shrink tubing. You will need a small section, perhaps 1 inch, of appropriate diameter. Slide this tubing over the trimmed shoelace end, ensuring it fits snugly. Carefully apply heat using a lighter or heat gun, moving it constantly. The tubing will shrink tightly, forming a hard, protective custom aglet. This simple technique can extend the life of any shoelace dramatically. And then something unexpected happened with a broken lace. What if the entire shoelace snaps in half, rendering it completely useless? Don't despair. A sturdy knot can often provide a surprising temporary solution. Tie the two broken ends together using a secure square knot or fisherman's bend. Trim any excess string very closely to the knot for a cleaner appearance. While not ideal, this knot will hold your shoe together for the day's tasks. But what if you want a stronger, less noticeable repair? For a more refined repair, a needle and strong thread offer significant advantages. Overlap the two broken ends by about 1/2 inch, aligning them precisely. Use strong thread and a simple whip stitch or running stitch to join them. Reinforce the stitched area with a few extra passes, ensuring maximum strength. A carefully sewn mend can truly make a broken lace almost invisible and functional again. Mastering these simple, yet effective shoelace repair techniques offers tangible benefits daily.
You avoid the frustration of untied shoes constantly tripping you up.
No more sudden, annoying stops to relace, interrupting your important workflow. Imagine the money saved by extending the life of your favorite laces. These small fixes accumulate, creating substantial long-term savings over time. You also reduce waste, contributing to a more sustainable, eco-conscious lifestyle. The sense of self-reliance gained from these skills is incredibly empowering. Knowing you can handle minor inconveniences yourself builds confidence daily. This preparedness extends beyond shoelaces, fostering a general problem-solving mindset. You become the person who always has a solution, ready for any challenge. These simple, practical skills translate into greater efficiency and much less daily stress. Enjoy uninterrupted walks, runs, or busy workdays without footwear worries. The peace of mind knowing your laces are secure is truly invaluable. Embrace these DIY tricks and transform everyday annoyances into simple victories. From a quick tape aglet to a heat-shrunk tip, simple solutions exist for every shoelace predicament. These easy DIY repairs empower you to tackle common problems with confidence and ease. If you found these handy tips fascinating, subscribe for more incredible home repair hacks. Let me know in the comments which shoelace trick you will try first. If you found these handy tips fascinating, subscribe for more incredible home repair hacks. Let me know in the comments which shoelace trick you will try first.